Hi, boys and girls. I hope that you're doing well. Miss Vitale is here just to explain to you what needs to be done for next week. I have uploaded the information for you when it comes to what the center work is, okay? So we have an IXL section, we have a Hey Little Ant section, which you should be ready for because you've listened to the story with the whole group and have completed a small activity together. There's a word workstation and also a little reading center, which the link is in Show Me. I will show you. If you're done these activities, you have Raz Kids to do. The Hey Little Ant activity, you write your rough draft directly on Shobi, and before going to your good copy, you have to have the teacher correct it for you. The what to do with a problem activity, the link is here. You click on the link. Once you have listened to the story, then you can complete these two worksheets that are here for you. Then afterwards, you have the word workstation. You only have 20 words this week. You have to choose to write silly sentences, spelling syllables, and also cursive writing. You have an IXL Center, which is sections 8.4, 8.5, and 8.6. Again, like I said, if you finish everything, Raz Kids. Make sure, boys and girls, like I said, for the Hey Little Ant activity, you need to make sure to answer the 5 W's. I have written out the questions here for you. Make sure that you answer them in complete sentences. And then when you have done that and you've used all of your resources to write the best sentences possible, then you can go to the teacher and have her correct it for you so that you can move on to writing your good copy, which is going to be done directly on a paper. Okay? So have fun with the activities this week, and I look forward to seeing you the following week.